I'm Christina.
Hi, I'm Jade.
Hi, I'm Mike.
Hey, I'm Dan. And this is
Try This.
Guess That.
Guess That.
Come
All you dad jokes.
That was terrible.
It can't get any better than that.
Okay, are y'all ready? What's one of the first things an elf learns in school?
Oh! I'm not going to, I know it. I figured it out. Is it the alphabet?
Wow, good.
That's good.
Yes.
Is that right?
Yeah.
Is the alphabet 26 letters, or do you think it's shorter?
It's probably
that
12.
was a good one, right? The elf is shorter. That was
20.
good.
What do you call an elf that rocks and rolls?
Elphus.
That's right.
Wow.
Thank you very much. Thank you very
You're
much.
good. Who gives baby sharks presents on Christmas? Come on.
Jaws. No.
What was that?
I don't know. But
Jaws?
now
Was that close? Because I see your eyes are like.
Just
right
finish it.
Santa Jaws?
Yeah, Santa Jaws.
Oh, look at me. Okay.
That's good.
I'm happy with that.
What do you call Santa after he goes down the chimney with a lit fire?
I don't know, but it doesn't look good for Santa.
No.
I think he would have that down by now. There'd be a way to check first.
Oh, I thought of something, but I don't know if it's appropriate. He's chestnuts roasting on a.
Oh. That's funny.
You want me to tell you?
Hottie pants something?
Yeah, hottie pants.
Who knows?
Hot pants clothes.
Everyone knows Santa's by that other
It's a
name.
hottie pants.
Go to bed, kids. Hottie pants is on its way. The answer is Crispy Kringle.
Oh.
Oh.
I don't like
It's
it.
awful.
I don't like it.
I like hottie pants.
That doesn't make any crispy. It doesn't make any sense.
You get crispy from the fire.
Maybe if it was crisp Kringle,
Crisp.
yeah.
Yeah.
crisp Kringle,
Yeah.
Crisp.
then it
Crispy
sounds
Kringle.
more like crisp.
Who is the snowman's favorite aunt?
And by aunt, you mean aunt, right?
Yeah. Yes, I mean aunt. Y'all say aunt or aunt?
Auntie.
I say aunt.
Oh, okay.
We say auntie.
It sounds better, doesn't it?
I like to say aunt. I don't say aunt, but I think it sounds better.
It feels
Yeah, right.
formal. Aunt.
It
not
is.
aunt.
It is.
Really?
Oh, antifreeze. No?
No.
That's pretty good. No? I think that's great.
Antifreeze.
Antifreeze.
Would you put it in a car?
Yes, but my
Auntie, your
antifreeze.
auntie.
I think that's
That's
pretty good.
good.
I think
I
it's
mean,
pretty good.
That's good. I like
That's
that.
not the answer.
But that's not it.
No.
That's surprising.
It's Antarctica. Huh?
I like mine better.
Okay, I love this one so much. I hope I can get through it. What did the one snowman say to the other?
You're on a roll.
There's so many possibilities. Oh, that's good. You're on a roll.
No. I
You
don't
guys
like
give up.
I do.
Okay, here it comes. Okay, here we go. Do you smell carrots?
Oh, that's a good one. That's a
That's
good one.
good.
And the delivery was even better, though.
I think that was the best one so far.
Yeah, that was clever, for sure.
Except for my antifreeze.
Yeah.
Yes, yeah.
That was very good.
How does Santa keep track of all the fireplaces he visits? This one's pretty simple.
I know.
You know it?
He keeps a log.
Yeah!
Oh! That's pretty good.
Basic, right?
That was good, though.
All right, you guys ready?
Yes.
Why does Santa always go down the chimney?
What's up with you and Chimney?
I requested to
Seriously.
only have chimney jokes.
Ugh.
You'll never get that. You'll
No?
never get that. No. Santa always goes down the chimney because it suits him. Suits
Oh,
Oh, it's
First
Soot
one of the best day.
It's Soot Sim.
I'll see myself out.
Not the
Thank you.
best.
Thanks
Thanks
for
for
watching.
watching. Okay,
That was my
wait,
bad.
that wasn't it.
I'm sorry.
Thanks for watching.
Happy
holidays.
Happy holidays.
Happy holidays.
Bum, 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 bum.
The merry bells keep ringing.
I love it.